The streaming war is over, and it didn't end the way you think. For years, we've been told that the future of television was about content, about who had the biggest library or the most expensive shows. But while Netflix and Disney were fighting over subscribers, Apple was playing a much longer, much more dangerous game. They've been waiting. They haven't touched their flagship streaming box since 2022. In the tech world, that's an eternity. But there is a reason for this silence. Behind the closed doors of Apple Park, the engineers have been transforming a simple streaming box into something that shouldn't technically exist for another 5 years. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We are talking about the Apple TV 4K 2026. And if the latest leaks from the supply chain are true, this device is about to make your smart TV, your gaming console, and even your smart home hub obsolete in one single stroke. Why now? Why has Apple suddenly decided to go nuclear on the living room? It's because of a threshold they finally crossed in silicon technology. For the last decade, your Apple TV was essentially a recycled iPhone. It used older chips because streaming doesn't require much power. But the 2026 model is breaking that tradition. Leaked code names like Brut suggest that Apple is skipping the mid-tier chips and going straight for the juggernaut, the A17 Pro or potentially even the A18. This is the first time an Apple TV will have enough raw horsepower to run hardware-accelerated ray tracing. This isn't just about making Ted Lasso look better. This is a direct shot across the bow of Sony and Microsoft. Apple is finally turning the Apple TV into a legitimate gaming console that can run AAA titles like Resident Evil and Assassin's Creed locally, with no lag, no cloud, and no compromises. But gaming is just the distraction. The real kill shot is the brain. For the first time, Apple TV is getting a massive RAM upgrade to 8 GB. Why does a TV box need 8 gigs of RAM? One word: intelligence. The 2026 Apple TV is being positioned as the central nervous system for Apple Intelligence in the home. Most people don't realize that Siri has been limited by the hardware it lives on. With the A18 chip and expanded memory, the new Apple TV will handle generative AI tasks locally. This means a Siri that actually understands context. You won't just ask it to play a movie. You'll be able to say, "Hey Siri, find that scene from a 90s thriller where the guy is trapped in a car," and it will find the exact timestamp across all your streaming services instantly. It becomes a digital librarian that knows your taste better than you do. And then, there's the hardware leak that has privacy advocates and tech enthusiasts in a heated debate: the camera. Internal reports suggest that Apple is testing a version of the Apple TV with a built-in FaceTime camera. Now, before you think about the privacy implications, look at the utility. This isn't just for video calls on your 75-inch screen. This is about gesture control. Imagine sitting on your couch and just waving your hand to pause a movie or pointing at the screen to adjust the volume. No remote, no voice, just pure interaction. Combined with center stage technology, the camera will follow you as you move around the kitchen or living room, keeping you perfectly framed. It transforms the television from a passive screen into an interactive window. But what if you don't want